Hello everyone. I'm going to teach you how to see a chart using Bhrigu Nandi Nadi. Before that, I have to tell you the basics of Bhrigu Nandi Nadi. These are refined and directly applicable points. These are absolutely technical and practical points apart from theories and philosophies in astrology. Point number one, planets placed in trine to each other work like conjunction. Suppose Venus is in Pisces, Saturn is in Scorpio. Saturn and Venus will act like they are conjunct. Point number two, the basic functioning of Nadi is a planet approaching another planet degree-wise in conjunction. Suppose Moon is at 5 degrees and Mars is at 10 degrees in same sign. So Moon is approaching Mars. Same will work in trine also. Moon is at 5 degrees, Mars is at 10 degrees. Both are in trine to each other. Similar thing will work. Moon is approaching Mars. Point number three, we don't take houses in Bhrigu Nandi Nadi. We will take Rashis and planets as Karaks. For father, suppose for father we have to take Sun and look at the conditions in which Sun is placed in the chart. For father, not ninth house. Point number four, dispositor of a planet always carries the energy of that planet. Suppose Venus is in Scorpio, so Mars will always carry the energy of Venus. Or Venus is in Aries, Mars will always carry the energy of Venus. And we use planets as Karak. If you have to tell about the father of this native, this is a chart. If we have to tell about the father of this native, we will take Sun. Sun is conjunct with Rahu, Moon, Mercury, and no planet in trine of the Sun. Venus is in the basic sign of the Sun. So Sun is always carrying the energy of Venus. So Sun is in Cancer sign of traveling. Sun is also conjunct with Moon. So Moon is heavily affecting the Sun along with Rahu, amplifying the energy of Moon. Long travel, big travel. Rahu Moon also shows highways. Mercury is the karak for documentation and Venus is vehicles. So the father of this native has office on highway. He checks the documents of vehicles. Let's take another chart. In this chart, Sun is with retro Mercury and Rahu. Mercury and Rahu. Mercury is Karak for speech, Rahu is amplification. We can directly say father has habit of talking too much, excessively. Sun is also in trine of Moon and Mars. Sun is also in the trine to Moon and Mars. Debilitated Mars. So father has to travel for the land and property matters. And Mars is debilitated in Nij Bhang. So there may be some negativity in traveling, some kind of tension would be there for property and land. So this is third chart. Mars. Mars is Karak for husband. If we have to see about husband, this is the chart of female. If we have to see about husband, Mars is in Gemini with Ketu. Mercury and Ketu energy makes the yoke of IT, information technology. Mercury Ketu is the yoke of information technology. So husband works in IT field and moon is in also trine. Husband also has to travel. Moon is a karak for traveling. Husband is in IT field and husband also travels. Another thing about father in this chart, exalted sun is conjunct with Rahu because planets in trine work like conjunction. So exalted sun is conjunct with Rahu. Sun has affliction. Father has bad health throughout the life. Jupiter. Jupiter is the Karak for native itself. Like we take Lagan Parashari. In Vedic astrology, we take Lagan. Here we take Jupiter for native itself. Jupiter is Karak for native, and in its trine there is Mercury. Debilitated Mercury with exalted Jupiter. So native would have some qualities of Mercury, especially debilitated Mercury, over imaginative, bad sense of documentation, etc. etc. So this is how we use Bhrigu Nandi Nadi and the speciality of Karaks to predict